Well, hello, health lovers! Today we have a new but important topic, the pancreas, the most vital organ in the human body that plays a crucial role in the digestion process. Let's dive right into it and understand why this little guy is so important and what it does in our body. The pancreas, about the size of your hand, is located inside the abdomen, just behind the stomach. This unassuming organ is a powerhouse, playing a crucial role in the production of hormones like insulin, glucagon, gastrin, and amylin. They help regulate your appetite, control blood sugar levels, stimulate stomach acids, and even instruct your stomach on when to empty. It's like your body's control center for all things digestion. Now, if you develop a problem in digestion, it might be because your pancreas are not working effectively. As the functions of your pancreas are closely tied to your digestive process, what you eat can have a significant impact on its health. So today we're gonna spill the beans on the best foods you should be including in your diet to keep your pancreas in top shape. First up, we have number 8, leafy green vegetables. They're packed with vitamin K, which is known to help reduce inflammation in your body. Researchers have found a strong connection between eating dark green leafy vegetables and a reduced risk of pancreatic cancer. So what's on the menu? Think spinach, arugula, and kale. Kale in particular is a superstar. It's not only rich in vitamin C and beta-carotene, which are well-known cancer fighters, but it also contains camphorol, a flavonoid that actually helps prevent the growth of pancreatic cancer cells. That's right, you can literally eat your way to a healthier pancreas by enjoying these greens. But we're just getting started. Have a look at our number 7, cruciferous vegetables. These veggies, which include cabbage, Brussels sprouts, watercress, cauliflower, and broccoli, are more than just your average greens. They're a rich source of a compound called glucosinolate. What's that? Well, it can transform into something pretty powerful, isothiocyanates, which have anti-pancreatic cancer properties in both cell and animal studies. They're like the warriors in the battle against cancer, working to overcome the growth and spread of cancer cells, and even killing pancreatic cancer cells. Now that's some serious superhero stuff. But hey, cruciferous vegetables also bring some other goodies to the table. They contain flavonoids like apigenin and luteolin, as well as sulfur-containing compounds that give them their slightly bitter flavor. These compounds play a crucial role in supporting detoxification. It's no wonder experts believe that consuming these cruciferous veggies regularly can be a strong defense against pancreatic cancer. So the next time you're at the grocery store, load up on cabbage, Brussels sprouts, watercress, cauliflower, and broccoli. Your pancreas will thank you, and you'll be one step closer to a healthier, cancer-resistant you. Hopping on to our next food, which is number 6, onions and garlic. They not only add a burst of flavor to your dishes, but they're also a dynamic duo when it comes to supporting a healthy pancreas. Garlic in particular is a star in the world of health. It's loaded with sulfur-containing compounds that bring a host of benefits. These compounds offer antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, which can help your body fight off various health issues. And when it comes to your pancreas, garlic is believed to reduce toxicity, prevent tumor cell growth, and even make your food taste better. It's a win-win situation. Think about garlic as a multi-talented player in the health game. It can also help in curing various ailments and improving blood circulation. And its benefits ripple through your entire body, whether it's lowering the risk of cardiovascular diseases, helping regulate blood sugar, providing relief from colds and flu, reducing the risk of cancer, preventing cognitive decline, and it even shields against microbial infections. On the other hand, onions contain cancer-fighting compound cells called flavonoids. So the next time you're in the kitchen, don't hesitate to add a dash of garlic and onion to your recipes. Now number 5, turmeric root. Yet another remarkable member of the ginger family. This vibrant root contains a bioactive compound called curcumin, which is a potent anti-inflammatory agent. Curcumin can do wonders to reduce inflammation and in turn reduce the risk of developing diabetes from prediabetes. It can also help slow down the growth of pancreatic cancer cells. As you know, the health benefits of turmeric are plentiful and they go way beyond supporting your pancreas. This root can aid in wound wound healing, help with weight management, provide relief from arthritis, assist in diabetes control, promote proper digestion, offer skin benefits, reduce cholesterol levels, and it even plays a role in preventing Alzheimer's and liver disease. So never hesitate by using turmeric in your diet. Mix it in milk or in hot water and sip it. You'll be loaded with its never-ending benefits. Now let's talk about some more foods that can do wonders for your pancreas. Number 4, cherries. Cherries are more than just a sweet treat. It contains high amounts of a compound called perolyl alcohol, which has the amazing ability to prevent the occurrence of pancreatic cancer. Then comes number 3, yogurt. To be honest, it's a fantastic choice to keep your digestive system and pancreas in good shape. It's loaded with probiotics, those friendly bacteria that work wonders for your gut health. And if you're watching your weight, go for the fat-free yogurt to keep your pancreas and waistline happy. Next we have number 2, mushrooms. Mushrooms are often considered a superfood for your pancreas. They're a rich source of nutrients including selenium, fiber, potassium, and vitamin D, all of which play a significant role in supporting pancreatic health. So don't forget to include these fantastic fungi in your diet. And finally, we're concluding with the all-time digestion-friendly sweet potatoes. As you know, they're not just tasty, but also packed with beta-carotene, a potent antioxidant. This antioxidant is a strong supporter of your stomach, which is ultimately good for pancreas, so consider adding sweet potatoes to your meals for an extra pancreas boost. And there you have it, guys, your 8 life-changing best foods for a healthy pancreas. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable health tips and updates. Your support means the world to us.